Today I will show you how to make an easy sugar cookie. Let's get started. Do you want to make cookies in any shape, even without cookie cutters? I will show you how. In a bowl of stand mixer, put in your butter and sugar. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. Then put the shell over the bowl and mix at medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is creamy and fluffy. When this is mixed, you should see the color turn more pale. Then lightly beat your egg and vanilla extract. Then pour it in and continue to beat at medium speed until combined. In another bowl, mix the flour, salt, and baking powder. Then whisk it together. Add half of the flour mixture to the stand mixer and mix it at low speed. Add the remaining flour until it's fully combined. The key is not to overmix. Put the dough onto your work surface. Then use the cling film to wrap it up and chill in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want to kind of make it into a square or rectangular shape, so it will cool down quicker. Let's make our template. Just take a piece of parchment paper and trace the Paddington suitcase or any shape you want. This way, you don't need to buy loads of cookie cutters that you may only use once. And don't need to worry, you can't find the shape you want. Since we draw our own template, so you can decide how big you want your cookie to be. I will be decorating those Paddington themed cookies in my next video. After you finish drawing all your own templates, then just take a scissors and cut it out. Roll out my dough between two sheets of parchment paper, so it's less messy. the fridge and let it rest at room temperature for about 5 minutes, so it will be easier to roll. We will be only using about 2/3 of the dough. To 1/4 inch thick. I like to use this rolling pin from Clark. It's great quality, and no matter how you roll it, you will always get a perfect 1/4 inch even thickness cookie. Quick and simple. I will link it down below. If your dough is a little bit sticky, just sprinkle some flour on top to prevent the dough sticking to the parchment paper. Then taking the template we made earlier, use it as a guide to cut out our shape. If the dough is too soft, then just pop it back into the fridge. Chill it for a bit. Just use our finger to smooth out the edges. Then I just take a knife to cut out the hole in my luggage tag. Make sure you don't put your unbaked cookie too close to each other. Ideally 1/2 inch apart. Try to move less cookie as possible, so it won't be out of shape. Bake your cookie at 170 Celsius for 10 to 14 minutes. For the unused dough, just wrap it up and keep it in the freezer. Rotating the tray halfway through, bake until the cookies turn golden. See how I decorate those Paddington theme cookies? Then check out my next video. Want to see how I color royal icing? Then you can click here. I will see you in my next video. Bye!